B. Bye-bye, B. Box.
Ooh. Ah.
Backhoe.
Ring, ring. Ring, ring.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Backhoe. B. Backhoe. Bulldozer. Backhoe. Bulldozer. B. Capital B. B. Lowercase b. 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 Backhoe. Bulldozer. B. Blocks. Blocks. Blue. Blue. Blocks.
Bang. Boink.
Blue blocks. Bulldozer. Backhoe.
Run, run. Whoa.
This is the letter B. This is a capital B. And this is a letter B. It's a lowercase b. And B makes the sound of B. Backhoe, bulldozer, Blippi! If you like toys, be sure to click the big red button that says subscribe so you can see me, Blippi, Blippi, play with more toys. All right, bye!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey!
This car is the color green. This car is the color blue. This car is the color gray. This car is the color orange. This car is the color red. That was so much fun with that garbage truck and those cars. If you want to watch me, Blippi, play with some more toys, be sure to click that big red button that says subscribe so you can see me play with all sorts of toys. Oh!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
School buses. No more.
Whoa!
What are these? Look at these. Whoa! Every single one of them has a letter or a number on them. Wow! Do you know your letters and numbers? Well, say them out loud if you know them, okay? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Ooh, you know this one. Yeah, the letter A. E. Oh, E. Z. Z. L. Good job. Do you know this one? Yeah, J. W. Oh, a number. Do you know what number this is? Yeah, let's count to it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5! Yeah, this is the number 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. X, F, Y,
D, T, 3, N, G, I, P, 2, R, B, U, H, I, 8, V, C, O, S, 7, M, 9, 10, K, 4, Q. Q.
I stopped when the stop sign came out. Try it with me. Stop. Let's do it again. Ding 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 ding. Boop boop. Ding 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 ding. Boop boop boop. Ding 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 ding. Boop boop. Ding 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 ding. Stop. Stop. Okay, now I want you to dance until I put out the stop sign. Are you ready? Stop! This school bus is so much fun. Whoa! Open! Oh, so many letters and numbers! If you want to see me, Blippi, play with more toys like this awesome radical school bus, click right here, the big red button that says subscribe, so you can see all of my fun videos where I play with toys. See ya! Bye!
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa!
Tractor. Tractor. Wagon. We have a tractor and a wagon. Tractor. What color is this tractor? Is this tractor the color red? No, it's not red. Is the tractor the color blue? No, this tractor's not blue. Is this tractor pink? No. Is the tractor purple? No. Is the tractor green?
Yeah!
The tractor is green. Ooh, and there's another color too. You can see the wheels on the wagon and the tractor wheels. See the color right in there? Yeah, what color is that? Yeah, it's the same color as the sun. Yellow. The color yellow. This tractor and wagon is the color green and yellow.
Oh, give me the wagon. Okay, me. Oh, look at who it is. Oh, it's a house. Huh, it's a house. Hi, wagon. Hi, wagon. Hello, how are you? Oh, hey, we got a problem. Yeah, we got a big problem. Oh, what's your problem? How can I help you? Well, if you come follow us, we got a big pile of grass at the barn. Yeah, come follow us. Okay, you guys jump in. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, we fell out. Oh, get back in there. And then let's put it back and let's go to the barn.
Whoa, here's the barn. And here's a big pile of grass.
Yeah, tractor, we need your help putting the grass in the back of our wagon. Okay, I can help that. I got a lot of room in the back of my wagon. Okay, cool, thank you so much. It's just so dirty out here, we need help. Okay, let's go. Let him do his work. Let's put the wagon right here. Oh, little more. Put this back in here and let's go save the day. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, that was so much fun learning the colors of the tractor and the wagon with you. If you want to see some more toys, be sure to click right here, that big red button that says subscribe, so you can watch me, Blippi, play with more toys. All right, bye.
Ring, 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 ring,
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, a fire truck! Whoa, whoa, whee! Zoom, zoom, zip, wee, 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 wee. Whoa, whoa, oh. Whoa. Hey, I'm gonna climb this ladder. Whoa. I'm gonna go with my younger brother. I'm smaller than him. I'm smaller than him, and I got a siren. Put this right here. So, how you guys doing today? Oh, I'm doing just fine. I'm just a smaller fire truck. No, I'm doing real good. Oh, I have something fun for us to do. Oh, hey, look over there. Oh, oh, oh. Vroom, 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 vroom. Whoa, whoa. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Whoa, good job, Grave Digger. Yeah, that was really good. You did really good jumping us. Yeah, I sure did, huh? I sure did real good. Hey, you want to see my younger brother? Yeah. Hey, I'm the younger brother. Nope. Whoa. Well, whoa. Okay, here we go. Whoa! 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 Woo! Yeah! Oh, can't forget about the cones. Put the cones right here. Yep, put the cones right here. There's 3 cones. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 cones. Watch, I'll jump them. Rim, 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 boom. Wow, that's so much fun. That's funny. Oh, hey, there's a fire. Yeah, there's a big fire. Okay, we need to go save the fire. Let me put my ladder back. Whoa. 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 Watch out, big, small fire truck. Don't fall down. Oh, I won't fall down. I'm a fire truck and I know how to balance. Okay, let's put this back on and let's get you off. Whee! Whoa, good job. Whoa. Okay, let's move these guys. Let's put these. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, 5. Whoa, do you see the cones? There's 5 cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 0. 0. Oh, that's fun. Whoop.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Whoa! Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Oh, oh, oh. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Oh. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom.
These are my monster truck toys. This monster truck's name is Gravedigger. This monster truck's name is Gravedigger. And this monster truck's name is
Gravedigger. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh,
I have 3 monster truck toys. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 monster truck toys. 1, 2. I have 1 monster truck toy. I have 0 monster truck toys. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 3 monster truck toys. Look at this grave digger. Let's learn the shapes that make up this grave digger. Okay, the wheels and the tires, yeah, they're circle. 1, 2, there's 2 circles. Oh, but then there's 2 on the other side, so there's actually 4 circles, 4 wheels and 4 tires. Okay, and then the body, yeah, the body of the monster truck. It's kind of a weird shape, but let's break it down into 2 smaller shapes, okay? So this right here, yeah, we can make that a rectangle. And then this front part where the engine is, yeah, we can make it another rectangle. So 2 rectangles and then 4 circles. You only can see 2 though. Whoa, I loved learning my shapes with you. With this Gravedigger monster truck toy. Okay, enough playing with these monster truck toys. Let's watch some real monster trucks going off some jumps. Whoa! That was really fun learning our shapes and a little bit of counting with these monster truck toys. If you want to see another one of my monster truck videos, just click right there. I'll show you inside a real monster truck. And me, Blippi, I actually get to drive one. Whoa, it was so much fun, let me tell ya. But before you go, click that big red button that says subscribe so you can see all of my fun, free educational videos for kids. Well, see you later. Bye. That was so much fun playing with all these toys. Hey, I have something important to tell you and your parents. Me, Blippi, yeah, I'm starting to do live shows. That means that you can meet me in real life. Whoa, that would be so great to meet you. I look forward to it. Be sure to ask your parents to go to blippi.com/live for more information. Thank you, kids and parents, for connecting with me on my social media pages and watching my show. Bye!